everybody, welcome back to Madihaz Cooking. I hope you all are well. Today we're going to be making banana bread. So let's get started. Here into my bowl, I'm going to add 1 stick or half cup of unsalted butter. And here I have sugar, and I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay, so now with my mixer, I'm going to mix all of this together. Okay, so now I am done. Okay, so I have 3 ripe bananas, and I'm just going to mush it. You want to mush it until it's like baby food. Okay, and we're done. And so now I'm going to add this into the butter and sugar. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that in. I'm only gonna mix it until it's lightly combined. Just like this. And here I have 2 room temperature eggs. And with my mixer, again, I'm just gonna mix all of this together. Now I am done mixing this. Okay, here I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder. And I'm just gonna mix that in. And I'm going to add it into my banana mixture. And with my spatula, I'm just going to gently fold. So I'm just gonna fold. Okay, so now that I've pretty much mixed it generally, I'm going to go in with my mixer and properly mix it. Okay. Okay, so I've mixed my batter, and here I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Just gonna fold that in. And here I have, you can use the normal size ones. I'm using mini semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I'm not gonna add all of them, I'm only adding a few. You can add anything into your banana bread. I am also adding a few chopped walnuts. now is put this into our baking pan and put it in the oven. Okay, so here I have my baking pan, and I've sprayed this with canola oil, but you can also do butter. Here I have just a little bit of flour, and I'm going to put it at the bottom of the pan, just a little bit, and I'm going to spread that out, kind of like this. And I'm gonna dump the excess in. Here I have my banana bread batter, and I'm just going to pour it in to my pan. Okay, so I've added my batter. Now for toppings, I'm adding my chocolate chips just from before, a little drizzle, and now I have walnuts that I chopped up. And you're done. So we're gonna put this in the oven for about 30-40 minutes, or until you put a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. And we're gonna do this for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop this into the oven. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.